Hey, good day everyone. Check out this Shark vacuum I have here. It's a Shark Navigator lift away. So here's all the features of it. All right, here's everything that came in the box. Got a whole bunch of attachments on here. This here. This little piece there. Got the hose. Got the extender here. Here's the head. The bottom of it. Look at the roller there. And the actual unit itself comes with a really long extension cord too. Okay, the first step, we're going to go ahead and install this on top of this. It just snaps in just like that. Now we just take this piece and it snaps right down in here. If you want to take it out, push that button there. This piece here goes right on there. Next is the hose. Goes in with this piece right there up. It just clicks right in here. If you want to take it off, just push that button out, put it back in. It snaps in there. And this goes into the top. Make sure we remove this piece. It says remove and slide to min for easier movement on carpets. So you got min and max there. You can adjust that. There's the min, there's the max suction. And this just clicks right into the top there. Okay, this switch right here, you got off, then you got hard floor for bare floors and area rugs, which is right there. And then down here, that's for high pile carpets, so thicker carpets. And again, the suction control is right up here, so you can just adjust it right there while it's installed. There it is, all set up. Go ahead and plug this in. Operating this thing, just put your foot right there and just kind of naturally rock it back. And it goes to this angle, that angle, straight. So it's kind of cool. You can get some good angles out of it. Get right in the corners there, no problem. Corners there. And then you can pull this thing off here like that. And get your small areas like down here. Snaps right back in there. Okay, now to take this thing off is really easy. Just take this. There's even a little dust cup thing right there. You just take that, pull up on that, and it pops right off. And now you can empty this thing out. And it says insert the top first, so when you put it back on, just snap it back in there like that. Okay, you can open this thing from the top just by pressing that button there. Dump all your stuff out. Same thing with down below. You can open it up that way, empty it out from down below. You can also use this whole thing right here. So just push that button right there and that'll lift this thing out. And then you can use it too for getting down in those same areas without having to bend over so far. Okay, it's got a place to wrap up your cord too, right here. All right, I had a chance to fully operate this thing. It's one of the best performing vacuums that I've ever come across. So real nice vacuum. Thanks for watching, everybody.